want to say at this juncture that the incorporation of new measures to improve road safety, which may have financial penalties, it is not designed as a revenue measure.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness today declared that the new Road Traffic Act, which carries stiffer fines, is not designed as a revenue measure, pushing back at critics. Addressing a meeting of the National Road Safety Council, Holness stresses that the law is intended to improve road safety and public order. There has been a public outcry against the law after the police disclosed on Tuesday that some 5,533 electronic traffic tickets amounting to over 34.9 million were issued to motorists in the first 6 days of the new legislation, which took effect on February 1st. Former People's National Party (PNP) Senator Delano Franklyn has died. It's understood that Franklyn died on Thursday night after ailing for some time. Franklyn had been admitted in serious condition last September at the University Hospital of the West Indies. At that time, an urgent appeal for blood was made for the former senator. The reason for his hospitalization was not disclosed publicly.